Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your After Effects version and running it with appropriate permissions. This avoids install errors. Once done, install Motion Bro either with the provided installer or by unzipping into script/script UI panels and copying the panel files. You need to restart After Effects so the panel appears. After restart, open Window, then Motion Bro to dock it. This first step ensures the extension is recognized and ready, and it prevents missing file errors when you import templates. Next, you import packs and apply presets. First, open Motion Bro, choose Packs and install the pack. Wait for confirmation to avoid partial installs. Then drag a preset or transition from the panel into your composition timeline. If the pack is heavy, use proxies or set a render cache for smooth previews. Once applied, move to Effect Controls to tweak sliders, colors, and duration. Make sure to keyframe timing with easing for natural motion. This is how you shape the animation to fit your edit. To finish, pre-render complex compositions and collect files so assets embed correctly for delivery. You should check comp resolution and anchor points if an animation looks misaligned, and verify layer order as Motion Bro presets often rely on specific stacking. Once satisfied, render with appropriate codecs. If things go wrong, update both Motion Bro and After Effects, then clear the disk cache and restart. This usually resolves lingering preview glitches. That troubleshooting step fixes most persistent
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.